There are 3 reasons this garden bed is so prolific. A huge amount of wood chips were saved for a year, and they turned into what we call black gold soil. Added to that, garden gold, which is rabbit manure. And of course, you know rabbits are vegetarian, and rabbit manure you can put directly on your garden beds. And chicken manure, which is a combination of the soil, the straw, and the manure breaking down together. That has to break down over time because it's too hot to put on your beds right away. So we're gonna go check out, first of all, the chickens. There we go. Hey, girls. Okay. Let's look over here. And it looks like they have a couple of eggs for us. Way to go, girls. Now, this is really getting wet and broken down in here. What they're walking around on is a combination of straw and dirt, the straw breaking down into the dirt, and they really need some fresh, dry straw to stand on. The sun is poking out now, but more rain showers are predicted. Some rain is coming through, there's wet mud puddles. And I think they would really appreciate some fresh straw. So that's what we're going to do right now. Does that make you happy? Does that make you happy? What do you think about having company? Straw, you're liking that, huh? They all flock to the one little corner where the first handful flew. I don't think you're supposed to get it in the food containers. Okay, now let's go check out the rabbit. Hey, Lady Di. Hey, you want a carrot? You want a carrot? You want a carrot? Come on. Come on. it good? Yum! I'm going to give you a couple more, just because you're a good rabbit. Okay, let's take a look over here and see what the rabbit produced. This whole big bin is rabbit manure breaking down. It's already started to break down. This is the back side, this is the top side, and this is the underneath of that. That just comes up in chunks. That will be mixed together with, these are wood chips that are breaking down and turning into black gold. Look at this. Well, it's already black gold. Look at that. Wow. This could be mixed with that right now and put on the garden beds. But since we're almost to the beginning of August, this is probably going to be mixed in with the chicken manure, breaking down and used on the garden beds next year. Hey, there's two more there. There's two more there. Hey, Lady Di. Hey, come here. There's three more here. Come on. Come on. Come on. You want some more? She goes, no, I'm watching my weight. I'm watching my figure, which is a very large figure. Lady Di, you look like a well-endowed rabbit. All right. We'll check you out later.
If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.